Halo teman-teman pioner, bertemu lagi kita hari ini. Semoga teman-teman semua tetap dalam keadaan sehat dan juga aman terkendali. Sebelum kita mulai videonya, jangan lupa teman-teman semua untuk like, comment, share, dan juga subscribe video saya ini. Oke teman-teman semua, judul kita hari ini yaitu Nicholas Kokalis pernah bahas Open Mainnet tahun ini pada rekaman videonya. Yuk kita review ulang. Oke, jadi kita akan mereview ulang rekaman video yang sempat viral ya teman-teman, yaitu di mana Nicholas Kokalis pernah membahas tentang Open Mainnet pada tahun ini. Jadi silahkan teman-teman untuk simak dan juga tonton video ini dari awal sampai akhir. Jadi kita langsung aja pada rekaman videonya.
Hi Pioneers! Happy Pi Day 2024! Today, we're celebrating our collective journey in the Pi Network, a giant community of pioneers united by the Pi cryptocurrency, a utility platform, myriads of blockchain nodes, and a shared vision for a decentralized future. Let's dive into the incredible strides we've made together this year, moving us closer to the open network period and the full unleashing of our network's capabilities. If the conditions are met, we aim to launch the open network later this year. As always, our community continues to thrive and expand. We've reached over 55 million engaged members, a testament of our growing influence and commitment without even counting the total number of signups. More than 9 million of those members have completed KYC, enhancing trust and security within our network. And today, we are announcing new measures, including unblocking pioneers and a call to action for you that will motivate millions more to verify their identities, broadening our horizons further. These achievements set new benchmarks in the cryptocurrency world and underscore our platform's unique appeal. Here are some exciting updates and integrations. The Pi Mining app now features a dynamic social media feed representing a leap forward in surfacing community content and promoting utility building in the ecosystem. This feed is initially showcasing content from the Fireside Forum and will later expand to other actions and content, fostering a more connected and interactive community. We've launched Pinet.com, a gateway to Pi's Web3 universe, making it easier for everyone to explore and share Pi apps using any browser. Alongside, we have streamlined the Pi browser to enhance usability and sync seamlessly with Pinet, bridging the gap with traditional web experiences while introducing users to blockchain innovations. The introduction of the Pi Ad network revolutionizes how developers engage with a massive pioneer community, supporting a wider range of apps and business models, like social media, news and games, in addition to conventional blockchain apps. This is an unprecedented functionality in the broader crypto ecosystem. Putting these updates and integrations together in a user journey, imagine a pioneer discovering and engaging Fireside post while mining. They share it with a non-pioneer friend who reads it on Pinet.com via a standard web browser. Finding the content compelling, she interacts further, eventually installing the Pi browser to fully engage with our platform. She initially utilizes Pi ads to create and share new content, while starting to mine on her own in the meantime. This cycle of discovery, sharing, and engagement embodies the inclusive, expanding nature of our community. In addition to the ecosystem usability I described, the Pi blockchain stands out significantly. While other top cryptocurrencies measure their computer nodes in the thousands or tens of thousands, our vibrant ecosystem boasts over 200,000 computer nodes on its testnet alone awaiting the mainnet migration. This collective power, exceeding 1 million CPU cores, paves the way for extraordinary decentralized computing possibilities. Imagine the potential of computing on such large scale. Tasks like training or operating a massive open source AI model in a decentralized manner become feasible. We are rolling out an updated version of the Pi node today, addressing previous issues and laying the groundwork for future enhancements, all while keeping our eyes set on the mainnet launch. In conclusion, every pioneer is integral to Pi's uniqueness and strength. With a vast community, a platform supporting diverse applications, and a user experience designed for the Web3 era while bridging with Web2, we stand at the forefront of digital innovation. Our commitment to local Pi commerce, demonstrated by more than 21,000 submissions depicting local businesses accepting Pi during PiFest, and the ongoing community development of apps that connect pioneers to those businesses, highlights our community's dynamism and creativity. As we look forward to another year of growth, innovation, and a potential transition to open network, let's continue to build, share, and dream big. Together, we're not just participants, but pioneers in the truest sense, shaping the future of decentralized technology and community engagement. Thank you for being an essential part of this journey. Here's to many more milestones ahead.
Thanks, Nicholas. Welcome, pioneers, to Pi Day 2024. Today, we're proud to be announcing new products and exploring how our collective work is building out Pi Network's ecosystem vision. We're also sharing the network progress towards the open network conditions laid out in the Open Network Plan released in the end of 2023, including a new Race to 10 Million KYC event where you can share your KYC success to encourage more community efforts in achieving the open network milestones and help other pioneers get KYC'd. Ultimately, we know that creating a strong ecosystem that supports and works for our community and the world is essential. To meet this end, Pi has been nurturing an identity-verified and inclusive Web3 ecosystem designed to be user-friendly and accessible with abundant apps and utilities. Before Open Network, we need to provide the utilities that pioneers need in the ecosystem and make it engaging and useful for non-pioneers as well. And we're proud to share that we're making progress in those fields aligned with our timelines. Now, next, Open Network updates on Conditions 1 and 2. As we explained in our Open Network Plan released December 2023, Condition 1 relies on the core team to prepare the network in technology, product, business, and legal domains following the consistent strategies of Pi Network. And Condition 2 relies mostly on the Pi community to reach 15 million KYC, 10 million mainnet migrated, and build utility through the development of Pi apps with the goal of 100 mainnet or mainnet-ready apps. On Condition 1, preparation work for Open Network is on track. Since the start of this year, we have released many products and updates that not only build out the ecosystem vision and network infrastructure, but also facilitate the community to make progress in their milestones on Condition 2. Here's the full list of updates and new products released today to that end. Multiple KYC updates unblocking millions of pioneers, including
Oke, jadi itulah rekaman videonya ya teman-teman. Jadi ada 3 poin yang bisa saya ambil dari video Nicholas tadi teman-teman. Yang pertama, Open Mainnet akan terlaksana jika syarat terpenuhi. Yang kedua, jika syarat terpenuhi, Nicholas beserta core team akan buka mainnet akhir tahun ini. Yang ketiga, berarti jika syarat tidak terpenuhi, maka besar kemungkinan Open Mainnet akan diundur lagi pada tahun berikutnya. Oke teman-teman, jadi itulah kesimpulannya ya teman-teman ya. Ada 3 poin yang bisa saya ambil dari video tadi teman-teman. Dan juga sebelum video ini berakhir, saya pasti saya akan mendapatkan komentar dari teman-teman. Beneran nggak bang, ini pasti Open Mainnet? Lalu bener nggak bang, Pi Network ini akan Open Mainnet? Jadi daripada saya nanti terlalu banyak untuk menjawab komentar kalian, jadi langsung aja saya jawab pada video ini. Saya jawab iya, pasti Pi Network akan Open Mainnet. Seperti itu teman-teman ya. Oke, mungkin sampai di sini aja videonya. Kalau ada dari teman-teman yang ingin bertanya, saya persilahkan untuk berkomentar di channel YouTube saya atau pada video saya ini. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.